Yo, what's going on guys? In this video today we are going to be talking about how you can make an extra $100 a day from anywhere around the world, from any age, through Instagram. So as I said in my intro that I will be sharing a business model, or more like a business scheme, through which you can make some decent amount of money at any age. Now I know what you're thinking now. Yo Mehir, I have already smashed that like button, but how do I get money from Instagram? I'm not Eminem, I got no bars, I'm not famous on Instagram, but how do I make money using this strategy? That's the beauty of this strategy that I'm going to be sharing today. Doesn't matter who you are, doesn't matter where you live, doesn't matter what you do, you can still make money using this strategy. So stick until the end of this video to know more about it. So the money is made using something known as theme pages. So these are some types of theme pages on Instagram, which basically means an individual starts a page through which they repost content from others. So what they do is that they give credits to the owner of the video or the content that they're going to be posting. So this way both the parties are happy. You are happy as well. The content creator who made this is happy as well, as he's going to be getting free publicity and you are getting content to post. For example, I start a fitness page. I will be posting other people's workout plans or workout strategies on my page, and I will be giving them credits. So one of the example of this theme page is this meme page right here, which has around 28.8 million followers. They are posting content and they are giving credit to the owners as well. And another example would be this fitness page, which has around 1 million followers. They are doing the same thing. They are taking content from other people and they are reposting it, and while giving it credits to the owner. So they are getting free publicity, and who doesn't like free publicity? So you must be asking, where is all the money involved in this? And the way people make money on these pages is that advertisers or the people who want to advertise their product come to these types of pages and they pay some amount for them to advertise their product on the page, and that post stays on the page for some amount of hours, like 12 hours or 24 hours, and they charge some specific amount for that time of post. So this is how they make money from these pages. So obviously all this comes down to how many followers you have and how many pages you own. The more amount of followers and pages you own, the more amount of money you make. So, and if you are very serious about it, you can actually turn this into a business by growing multiple accounts. So now I will be diving deep into this business model, and I will be telling you how do you find people that pay you to do promotion, how do people hit you up. So if you're interested to learn more about these tips and tricks, be sure to stick until the end. So obviously the first step is to actually starting out and making a page. And before you do that, you need to choose a niche. So basically you need to choose a niche which pays you the more. You shouldn't be going out for niches which are like easy to grow or are like which are hard to grow. You need to go out for niches in which people can pay you the most amount of money. I have a video linked in the description which will tell you the most profitable niches on Instagram, and you can also click the I button over here to watch that video. So you should be growing these types of niches which can give you the most amount of money, and these are the niches in which people are actually trying to advertise a lot of products in it. So this is going to make you a lot of money, and these types of niches you need to have a good audience in it. So once you have a good audience, you're going to get a lot of DMs and promos. So there are many ways on how you can grow your account, and I have a detailed video talking about how to grow your account from 0 to 1000 followers in 2 weeks. It will be linked in the description, and you can also click the I button over here. So using those strategies, you will gain and you will grow up to 10,000 to 12,000 followers range, and this is the followers range that you will actually start getting promos and you can start earning money. So when I started into this Instagram business model, I actually made my first shout out when I was around 14,000 to 15,000 page. It was a story shout out. So that's when I made my first story shout out. So when you've just started out, so during this period, what you can do is that you can go on to hashtags and you can go on the recent posts and you can target hashtags in your niche and go on the recent post, and you can DM those small cat accounts, or like you can DM small accounts in your niche and ask them if they are interested in promoting their page on your page, so that in this way you might generate some sales. So this is a very hectic task. Like you would have to DM around 100 to 150 people to get back response of around 4 to 5, and out of that 4 or 5 you might get deals of 2 or 3 people. So yeah, if you really want to make money, you can apply this strategy, or you can just wait until you have some heavy amount of followers so that your DMs get flooded with DM promotions and all. And if you have ever had a problem that the customer is not trusting on your page, what you can do is that next time when you do shoutouts for other pages, what you can do is that you can take vouchers from them. What does vouch mean is that basically it's your trust rating. So how do you do that? It is basically after the promotion is over, you can message the client for whom you did the promotion and ask them, how was my service, or how much would you rate my service out of 10? And then whatever answer they give, you can take the screenshot of it and you can put it as a highlight on your story, so that in future if you get any customer who isn't trusted, who doesn't wants to trust you, you can show them these screenshots. But there is a downside in doing these types of things. That is, your promotion is not going to be aesthetically pleasing to other brands and other companies. So you can do this for some time, and after you are okay with it, you can just remove it off your profile to make it look more professional. And what you need to do eventually is just to earn money and keep upping your price as you grow. And this way you will, the time that you're going to be investing in your Instagram page is going to be worth it, as you will be earning a decent amount of money. And another thing that you can do is that you can start different pages in the same niche, and what you can do is that you can promote the small pages that you have started with the already grown and a bigger page which you already own. So this is going to help you grow the smaller pages faster, and it is going to help you increase your income streams, as the main goal is to make more money. So if you have more page, which is equal to more followers, and which all sums up to more money. A tip that I would like to give you is that never ever start 10 or 15 pages at once, because this is going to burn you out a lot, as this requires a lot of attention at the start. So I suggest first growing a good amount of followers, like 40 to 50,000, and then you can start another page in the same niche. After that page hits like 5,000, 8,000, 10,000, you can start another page and use those both combined pages to promote the new page that you have started. So in this way you can keep on growing your fan following, and this way you can increase the amount of money you make as well. So the end strategy of this business model is just to make money out of it and to grow as many pages as you can, so you can make the most amount of money in it. So that's all for today, guys. If you did get some value and information from this video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel in case you're new, as I will be uploading these kinds of videos often. Hope you guys have a phenomenal rest of your day.
Yeah, it's fine. Yeah, okay.